In this video, I'll guide you through how to find salaries on Indeed, whether you're preparing for a job search, negotiating a raise, or just curious about what certain roles pay. Knowing how to quickly look up salary information can be extremely helpful. We'll take a simple set of actions and turn them into a clear, easy process you can repeat anytime you need it. First, open your web browser and go to the Indeed homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the top of the screen. Across the top navigation bar, you'll see several options like jobs, company reviews, and more. Among these, find and click the tab labeled Salaries. This is the dedicated section where Indeed gathers pay information across different roles, industries, and locations. When you click on Salaries, you'll be taken to a page that's focused entirely on pay insights. Here, you'll usually see a main search box. This is where you can start exploring salaries in more detail. In that search field, type either a job title, such as software engineer or registered nurse, or a company name if you want to see pay information specific to one employer. If you're unsure where to start, think about the role you're most interested in or the job you're currently doing. Typing a job title tends to give you a broad view across many companies, while entering a company name lets you focus on how that particular organization pays its employees in different roles. After you've entered your job title or company, press enter or click the search button. Indeed will then display a results page showing salary information related to what you searched. Take a moment to look over this page. You'll typically see an average salary figure, often shown as a yearly, monthly, weekly, or hourly range, depending on the role. There may also be a typical pay range showing what people on the lower and higher ends of that role usually earn. You can often refine what you're seeing by adjusting the location. So check for a field where you can enter a city, state, or country. Salaries can vary significantly depending on where you live, so it's a good idea to set this to a place that's relevant to you. For example, a job might pay differently in a major city compared to a smaller town, and adjusting that setting will give you more realistic expectations. On the salary results page, look carefully at any additional insights Indeed provides. This might include how the salary compares to the national average, typical ranges for similar job titles, or how pay changes with experience level. These details can be valuable when you're preparing to discuss compensation with a recruiter or manager. If you searched by company, you may see a breakdown of salaries by job title within that organization. This helps you understand how different positions are paid and can give you a sense of growth potential if you plan to move up within a company. As you review the salary ranges and insights, remember that these numbers are estimates based on data collected from employees, job postings, and other sources. They are not guarantees, but they do give you a solid starting point. You can use this information to set realistic salary expectations, compare offers, or decide which roles are worth pursuing. That's all there is to it. By clicking the Salaries tab on Indeed, searching for a job title or company, and then reviewing the salary ranges and insights, you can quickly get a clearer picture of what different jobs pay and use that information to make more informed career decisions.